Let's look at this question. The electronic configuration of carbon is given as 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1. We are asked to find the group, the period, and the block carbon belongs to. Now observe. Let's solve the first question. Let's find the group carbon belongs to. Pay attention. Remember that the group an element belongs to correspond to the valence electron. If an element has one valence electron in its outermost shell, we say that element belongs to group 1. If it belongs to group 2, it will have 2 valence electrons and so on like that. Now, how do we get the number of valence electrons here? Pay attention. You see this one you have here. The numbers that you are having here, they correspond to shell. This one means the first shell, while these 2 you have here means the second shell. And that's the last shell I'm having here. So the number of valence electron, get it? Number of valence electron is equals to what? Now, remember the last shell I'm having here is 2. Therefore, add all the electrons you have on the last shell. That's 2 plus 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 4. So this element has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. Therefore, carbon belongs to group 4. Next one, how do we get the period carbons belong to? You see, it's very easy. You see, the period corresponds to the number of shell it has. Now tell me, how many shell does it have here? Just 2 shell. This is 1 shell and this is the second shell. Therefore, carbon belongs to period 2. Look at it. 1, the first shell, 2, the second shell. Now, what block does it belong to? It's very easy. Can you tell me the orbital that is ending this configuration? That's p orbital. So because this p orbital is ending it, therefore we say this carbon belongs to what? P block. And that is that for that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.